What is debugging?
Debugging is the systematic process of identifying and fixing errors or bugs in computer programs. These bugs can cause a program to crash, behave unexpectedly, or give incorrect results. Learning to debug helps developers quickly solve problems, making code more reliable and efficient.
Step 1. Reproduce the bug.
The first step in debugging is to consistently reproduce the bug. Carefully note what inputs, actions, or settings trigger the problem. Being able to repeat the issue on demand makes it easier to observe what's happening and test any potential fixes.
Step 2. Read the error messages.
Pay close attention to error messages or logs. These often point directly to the location or cause of a bug. Look for clues like file names, line numbers, or descriptive text that can help you narrow down where things are going wrong.
Step 3. Isolate the problem area.
Once you have clues, try to isolate the code responsible for the bug. Remove or comment out unrelated sections. Use strategic print statements or run small tests to see which part of the program is faulty. Narrowing the focus saves time and reveals the true cause.
Step 4. Test and apply fixes.
When you found the suspicious code, make small targeted changes and test frequently. Verify if each change makes a difference, and avoid fixing multiple things at once. This way, you can confirm exactly what solved the problem.
Step 5. Review and prevent future bugs.
After fixing, review your code to ensure similar bugs won't happen again. Consider adding comments, writing tests, or refactoring messy code. Building good habits makes debugging easier in the future and leads to more robust software.